bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
You. From a distance you can tell.
Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 16. So, baby girl is eating breakfast right now. And then I'm going to give her like one banana. I think she still has water, her sippy. Yeah, she has water. Here's your water. And then I'm gonna vacuum my floor because, well, there's a lot of fruit on the floor. So I'll check up with you guys after I vacuum my floor. And then I'll tell you my countdown for Christmas video movie that we're gonna watch. Husband went to work, so it's just baby and I. And then we'll probably like stay and watch a movie together. Okay, baby. I might walk around in the house. So I'll check with you guys a little after, and that's what we're gonna pretty much do today. We'll depend as it go. I don't know what's gonna happen, but go with the flow. So aloha. Since I don't want to get copyrighted, we are gonna watch Miracle on. Hold on, Dessa. Let me get her out. Okay. I was trying to talk. Okay, you wait. So we're gonna watch I'm coming. I'm right here. Okay, we're gonna watch Miracle on 34th Street. This is the one with Mara Wilson, the one that played Matilda, and we're gonna go watch it right here. So I'll check back with you guys after while I get this little stinky butt out. So, okay, aloha. Alright guys, whoa, jeez. I have to hack the camera manually because my tripod broke. Oh, come here, little squirt. So we just finished watching. Say hi. Say hi. Dessa, look, say hi. Hey, look, say hi. We just finished watching the Christmas movie. She's getting really fussy. She's trying to go down the couch. What are you doing? Odessa, Angelina, Rose. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. I don't know what she's trying to attempt to do. What are you trying to do? What do you want to watch? Anna? You want to watch Moana?
Okay.
Alright, we're probably going to watch Moana again. What? What's with that face? You silly girl. We're probably going to watch Moana again, and I'll see you guys later. Or maybe Doc McStuffins. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll see you guys later. Aloha. Hey, young. I just put baby down for a nap. I need to I'm gonna make myself some food to eat because I didn't eat anything yet. Ooh, wow, that's dirty. Then I need to wash bottles. So I picked them up. I'm gonna wash them because she needs them. Put that in the sink, and then I gotta wash all these dishes. And then I need to, ouch. Be quiet, cat. I need to do some more vacuuming because she threw more cereal on the floor. Clean the bottom of my husband's desk and clean all that. Well, throw that away, clean half of this mess and clean all that stuff on the floor. And then I'm probably gonna go in her playpen and take some toys that she doesn't need because it's really crowded there and she just falls a lot all over everywhere. So I'm gonna go do that. And I'll check with you guys after. Probably the next time I'll probably be cleaning. I don't know, we'll see. Or probably when baby wakes up for a nap. But we'll see how things go. And like I said, I don't have a plan. I do have a plan of what I need to do. Like I wrote it in my planner, my traveler's notebook of what I need to do and what things needs to get done. But if it doesn't get done, it doesn't get done. But as long as I can do some part, I'm a go as you flow mom. I don't have any appointments right now. I don't have anything going on. Yeah, and it's snowing again. How lovely. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Aloha. So I finished eating and then I was just relaxing for a little bit. But she's eating her banana and I'm gonna get her water and we'll probably like relax and chill. Alright, later. tell you guys, and I'm gonna take you off the cam to talk to you guys and explain my situation. Hold on a second. I've been cleaning all day, so I am exhausted. I've been cleaning for the past hour, but the thing is, I cleaned her playpen, and then this happened. She made more of a mess as it is. And we'll get to that part in the couch. And the gate that blocks right over there broke. And she's been doing that all day. So day 16. I am so tired. I am so stressed. It doesn't help me. I hope you guys okay. I am gonna probably like sit down and relax. My husband's coming home late, and I have to go deal with that because I'm trying to clean, but cleaning with the toddler is difficult. So that's most of the time I don't, and it's only me, so it's okay. So I have to go take care of her because. So I'm sorry you have to end like this, but see you. Hubby's home, but I managed to clean everything minus her playpen. She just dumped all her toys out, but that's pretty much it. Now I have to wash the dishes and bottles. Odessa's sitting on the couch. Hopefully she doesn't fall. Fingers crossed. She's watching Moana, and I'm gonna wash some of her bubbas, some of the dishes, and yeah. So I'm gonna end it here. And because I have to cook dinner, and then yeah, I have to cook dinner and then make sure that's pretty much it. And by the time I'm cooked dinner and everything's settled, I will probably be like 9-10 o'clock. So aloha, and catch you guys on the next wave.